So as you can see, I did it a little differently than before. I wanted to use the juicer, and I will explain my reasons in a little bit, but I'm gonna take the excess that came out of this juicer and put it into this cheesecloth, and this will be what I will strain, because there always is some water left in this one. So there's juice, but it's not that much, so I don't know if it's exactly worth it to do this extra step, because we only got maybe a tablespoon or two of juice. Yeah, there's not that much juice there. But as you can see here, we got a whole bunch of juice, and I'm gonna pour this into a cup now. I use an extra strainer because this juicer always leaves a little bit of pulp behind. So I'm just trying to get it as clear as possible. All right guys, let's drink. Wow. Salty. Talk about feeling charged up. So the reason I juice the celery differently today is because obviously, well not obviously, you may not know this, but when you use the Vitamix, you actually make the juice oxidize much faster because the blenders are moving at a much faster speed, causing more heat, which causes oxidation to the celery juice. And that is a problem because oxidation causes it to go bad. You can think of it as when water touches metal, it rusts. That's oxidation. Or when avocados are out for too long and there's too much oxygen, the avocado turns brown due to oxidation. So I use the slow masticating juicer because it grinds the celery very slowly, so it's not causing a lot of heat, which causes it to preserve most of the nutrients. And then usually when I use that juicer, there's a lot of juice, or there's a lot of, the pulp is very watery still. So I didn't want to miss out on that extra juice, which is why I did the extra step of straining it in the cheesecloth. But as you guys can see, that only led to like a tablespoon or two of extra juice. So I'm not going to do that anymore. And another reason why I usually do the Vitamix is because the cleanup is much easier. I'll show you guys what the juicer looks like after I use it. And it's not very pretty. The celery gets very stringy and it gets stuck in the juicer, which is no bueno. So that's why I use the juicer today. Well, I always use the juicer. I'm not sure, you know, it just depends. I do like the Vitamix because it's very easy. And if you drink it right away, I don't know how many nutrients are lost. But I wanted to try something different today, and I figured I would bring you guys along for the ride. So this is just the beginning of the day. I just woke up. That's probably why I look like crap. But I will see you guys here in a little bit. We're going to go to the gym, and it's kind of a rest day, so we're just going to do light stuff today. All right, guys, and this is what I was talking about. It's very stringy, and it's hard to pull out, and it ends up getting stuck in here. So that's why it's a hassle to use this juicer, but it is the healthier way to do it. All right, guys, so I'm heading to the gym right now. I'm not going to bring this camera because it is a rest day, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of cardio on the bike and possibly some core workouts. So nothing really too crazy, and I have no one to film me, so it makes it much harder. But I will see you guys when I get back for the post-workout meal. And also in recent news, if you guys don't remember from a few videos ago, I'll link it in the top right corner so you guys can check that video out, but I was doing the banded muscle ups, and I said that I'm gonna get the muscle up soon without any bands, completely unassisted. And yesterday I got 8 muscle ups total. I did 5 the first time, and I didn't even think I was gonna be able to get them. I just wanted to try, so I didn't film them, but then I did 3 more after that, and I filmed those. So I'm gonna put that on the screen right now so you guys can see that. I was super pumped that I got those muscle ups, and I told you it was coming soon, and it did. So I'm excited to continue getting better at those and progressing in my calisthenics journey. All right, guys, so I lied about the post-workout meal. I actually already had my post-workout meal. I had Chipotle, which you guys have seen before, rice, beans, guacamole, salsa, lettuce, and all that good stuff. And the reason I did that is because it's right next to the Apple store, and my AirPods were messed up, so they're charging right now, so I can't pull them any closer. But the AirPods were messed up, so I went to the Apple store so they could replace them for me. And then I forgot that I had a free cinnamon roll, so I got Cinnaholic peanut butter cinnamon roll. Let me show you guys that right now. So you get part of the post-workout meal. As you can see, we got a peanut butter cinnamon roll with the cookie dough topping, 100% vegan. Everything in there is vegan, so I'm gonna dig into this here in a little bit. And yeah, here are the new AirPods. They replaced them for me, even though one was the messed up one. They replaced it, so super grateful for that. Got a brand new pair of AirPods and about to indulge in this cinnamon roll. Also, the gym went pretty good. I did 10 miles on the bike in 40 minutes. Felt kind of hard for me. My legs were super pumped after, so it feels good. I never really do cardio like that, but it was a rest day, and it was a good workout, so I'm excited to get this food in.